Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to create a custom voice in ElevenLabs. So first you will have to log in and go to the Voice Lab tab or Voices and go ahead and click on it. And now you will have to click create or clone a voice, and you have to make sure first that you do have the starter plan to proceed to the next step. So once you click instant voice clone, what you will have to do is give your voice a name, then upload a sample. Ideally 1 to 5 minutes of clean talking and no background noise. Once the upload is done, you will have to click create voice, and it usually processes within 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Once it appears in your voice list, you will have to click on it to preview and adjust settings like stability and clarity. And by the way, you can look for it in text to speech, and then you will just have to wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will find it here, and after that you will adjust settings like stability and clarity. Higher stability makes it sound more consistent, while lower clarity adds variation. Use this voice in speech synthesis or projects. Then you just gotta paste your script here, then select your custom voice, and then hit generate. You can now download your audio or continue editing. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.